for me it's been terrible since I'm a Malik. That surname's only so disturbing and stressful. That carrying a baggage and the legacy of Anu Malik and Abu Malik on my shoulders anywhere stunted me. And it's just because they've done credible good work. So and they have a name and people think someone must have picked up the phone and said कि इसको मेरे बेटे को music director बना दो, picture ले लो and give him a film. But it doesn't happen like that. Obviously we respect people, everyone who comes from nowhere and kills it also. They're like an Ankit Tiwari, if I'm talking about the filmy scene, he was from nowhere, he came, he made a song Sunrana through Galiya and he achieved his dreams. What happens with a tag of mine is that people think it's very easy and it happens. People will recommend you and you will get work. But I think anywhere, in terms of films, if a person doesn't like your music or they do not like what you're offering, I don't think they're going to work with you.
Yeah.
And in independent music also, you have to be a rebellious fighter like that, who does his own music. Name, no name, I don't know about that, but simply that you have to find your own path of music. I always wanted to stay away from Tantana Tantara and Thoda Sa Pyar Hua and all the borders and all, and to do a Suraj Duba Main Hu Hero Tera, so that people know that this is my style. So that's all.
No, but it's difficult for someone like you. If you do well, it's a problem because people will assume it's because of the family name.
Yeah.
If you do badly, then it's a
when I did
anyway.
badly, it happened also. They said not a chip of the old block. Used to come interviews and all.
So either way, it's a situation. But like you said, I totally agree that if someone's working with you for the first time, maybe it's a phone call. Maybe it's because you met them at a party.
Yeah.
It can be many various things. Maybe you're doing it for free. Yeah. All of those things. But the second time is the issue. So they'll only come back the second time if you've done good work. It's not going to happen again. But whereas he had an issue with, you had an issue with this kind of thing, being in the same industry as your uncle or your dad. My issue was that my mother is a Carnatic classical musician. I have grown up learning Mridangam, so I have my Guruji, my mom, who first thing they said was rock band, because their idea of a rock band at that point was something else entirely. Yeah, and they thought they would be bikini clad women in my videos and all of that. I don't think they thought that, but they started seeing MTV.
But that was the perception.
That was the perception. And it was very difficult. We won't be able to see all the people that we've interacted with.
Oh God.
And I am
a South Indian family. I have half of that. My mother is South Indian. Comes from a full lawyer background, doctors and all. तो वो तो इतना झाड़ू मार के degree पाया मैंने.
So it's that same thing. Like for in our house, music was as important as studies. Utna hi serious. But it is the Mridangam wala rigor. Like my sister's a Carnatic violinist and singer. She still works with TCS. She wants to do both. She doesn't want to do this one. So for me, that was the issue. Didn't have a struggle. But bizarrely, our album came out in 2007. Right? 2006, we did a demo. I spoke to 20 managers.
The first album was what?
2007, Agni. So Sadore and all that happened there. But I spoke to some 20 managers because I was like, the artist should not go to the label himself and sell completely. All the managers said no. They said, we can, but तुमको distribution मिलेगा और कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. तुमको खुद को गाना बनाना पड़ेगा. खुद को no आज ज़्यादा है, तब नहीं था actually. और तुमको वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा. And that time MTV, Channel V, all these guys used to play indie music. They used to have artists of the month, spotlight, all of that.
Now it's so tough to put your own song. Trust me, that
it's ulta, right?
It is easier.
No, it's ulta now because that time Spotlight and all of that was equal for Bollywood as well as for indie. Now there is
only Bollywood eating into
nothing, like
completely.
So
but that's what we should change.
We should. We will.
It is tough, but with artists like you having that, you at least pay to say I'm a fan, and all the na ni na ni na ni na has been my caller tune, my ringtone, everything. So my friends have grown up on that one theme, and so. We didn't care कि picture का गाना है. We didn't care because so there are people I think who want to listen to good music, picture हो या नहीं हो. And sadly we have a film industry. We don't have a music industry. We had a little bit of it in the 90s with pop songs and with the stuff that was done. Sonu Nigam doing singles. Everyone, all the KKs and Shant, they were doing the non-film stuff and it was on par with film music. Today the safest route has become Bollywood ki come do the 100 million views and you arrived, but you've not really arrived into people's hearts. For I think me, I would like to arrive there than just do.
Absolutely. Because the thing that we would do at live show, someone else knows your song and sings it back to you.
Oh,
Nothing else you want.
that is victory.
Khatam.
Baki kuch nahi.
Yeah.
All my songs hook, whatever they say, hook line. in the film. And like मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं.
Yeah.
The audience sings. सब तेरा. That is victory. Baki I don't know.
Absolutely.
I think nothing speaks more than a good song. How much ever, if you got 25 million followers on your social media, and if you're a composer, I'm saying, I don't know about singers. Singers, obviously, nowadays, sadly, in Bollywood, we give work to people who've got following more than people who are really talented. You can see that's why everyone's using the only 4-5 singers that the labels have produced. We as composers don't get our choice on songs. It's very difficult. If I suggest a singer, there are 20 people to say no to that voice. And that no one knows. The blame goes कि ये composer सिर्फ अरिजीत के साथ कर रहा है, अरमान के साथ कर रहा है, जुबिन के साथ कर रहा है. So that's a culture of maybe monopoly, power games, everything. So compare the composer's vision with the director. Pehle it used to be director, composer, lyricist sitting and deciding a song and making it. Now we've got too many people deciding. Even a choreographer, even a music supervisor tells us what to do on a song. Tells us who should sing the song. So कहीं ना कहीं बंद जाते हैं हम लोग, पर उतने में रह के भी मेरी थोड़ी बहुत I have been against it, and I think saying my things also helps me, get a good long vacation. A lot of people don't work with me after I say those things, and I needed that after 2 years. I did 62 songs in 2 years, which had 3 remakes.
Really?
Yeah. So
That's
I didn't want
ridiculous.
That was ridiculous. I didn't
What
want to. I didn't want to do it, but due to family things and whatever pressures, money issues, I had to do it. Now I'm 27. I want to live my life. I'm 3 years from 30. So I have the main thing about what I'm saying is that when a song is made, the person who makes the song now in his head automatically starts feeling कि इसका singer कौन है. Trust me. I never decide पहले कि ये गाना इसके लिए बना रहा हूँ. But unfortunately, power games की वजह से हम लोग कभी-कभी we gravitate toward the usual successful followed names like A.R. Kakkad and Arijit Singh and Armaan Malik or many people. Now it's up to me within that to make them do the best for my song. I am not allowed to go to XYZ artists because these are our artists who we want to work with. So problem हो जाती है. Not with due respect to them because they are very good singers. But क्या हो जाता है, if all composers work with the same 3 singers, then I cannot show that, then all songs start sounding similar, sonically, musically, everything goes wrong. So that is one thing which I think we can only change by, not jumping to social media and, don't follow me and put posts against people. I have done it. I don't recommend that. Do your music on your face, make a good song, put it on YouTube. Today singles are being picked up from non-film artists and bought and put into films. So make yourself the brand. You have YouTube. We didn't have that back in the day. So promote yourself first. I have done a single with this young boy Yash Narvekar, and he did something called Feel the Vibe, which is completely different from the stuff that I have done. So we're doing slowly stuff, and I'm involving myself in non-film music so that we can at least put something which we are also happy with. There are times I'm not happy with my songs, but you have to do it for certain people. And sometimes the musician in you dies and gets frustrated. So the only outlet is put your music on this platform and let it breathe. Let them see what you really are.
Yeah, so my point of view is starkly different from this actually. From our experience only. I don't mean that I disagree with what you're saying. We've had strange experiences. This also happens to you as a person who is composing and a singer. So you create a song for a film. Then they're shooting for 6 months on the scratch. Which is typically if it's a male song and the composer is also a singer, male singer, like Shankar Ahmed. In cases Amit Trivedi, mine as well. That song will go, they will shoot for 6 months, then I will get, let's say, Arijit to sing it, or some other brilliant singer to sing it. And they might say yes on the spur of the moment because Arijit is a big name. And then suddenly, three days later, I've had this conversation. Nahi yaar, wo scratch wala feel missing. It happens with production, it happens with voices. And the reverse also happens, of course. कि यार अरिजीत डाल दे एक गाना एक फिल्म हिट हो जाएगा या एल्बम हिट हो जाएगा. So both I've had situations.
And this is not Arijit's fault. This is the perception of people.
Thank God Arijit is part of it.
And Arijit has run away. People are running away from this because as an artist they also don't want to sing 500 songs. They also want to breathe. Like I spoke to Arijit yesterday also. I'm like we are friends. I said if you want to sing it, you sing it. There is no force. Because people have been even on his point of view, they do that. There are songs that an XYZ is sung, replace कर दो उसको ले आओ, replace कर दो इसको ले आओ. वो कितना बार करेंगे? कभी कभी ओरिजिनल जो स्क्रैच में आ जाता है वो कभी फाइनल में नहीं आता. When you change the voice or even a guitar layer, it just changes.
No, but my thing is at least someone like Arman or someone like Arijit getting popular to this extent is outstanding because they have the talent to back it.
Yes.
So I love it when I hear them. Like I've heard Arman at my studio just singing Khali Galam. I've heard Arijit multiple times. These guys are actually deserve everything they're getting and more. So that makes me feel really happy that you're not like embarrassed about the kind of music that's coming out from these guys at least. So that is one. Thankfully, it's a beautiful thing that's happened. That the downside is that they're being called to sing everybody's song.
My song sounds like someone else, someone's song sounds like someone else.
So
Composers fight others.
Correct. It's a very grey area to figure out whether the Splitsvilla song did wonders for the show or the show did wonders for Splitsvilla, for the song. It is just one of those things where
Just magic happened.
we knew it happened. That song was composed in 5 minutes. It's our fastest song. So Adore took us 9 months. This took us 5 minutes to get right. Somehow it just happened. But bigger thing was we spoke to MTV saying that let's put out a promo because I want to get the audience to write lyrics. That was the idea. Nothing else. And then MTV said, yeah, we have a show, second season in Splitsvilla. It did not do very well in the first season. We would like to have a song. And that's how it worked. We didn't have films to go to because we didn't want to. And MTV had stopped playing non-film music. So it was a way to get the song played for 13 weeks every day. That was our marketing idea. That if it doesn't play on, even a film can't afford 13 weeks of marketing for one song. No one can. Oh, it's 1 week. And
That's
after that,
exactly
1 week on
when the
YouTube.
remixes come in. कि हम लोग के पास 2 वीक है, 2 दिन में गाना हिट होना चाहिए.
Correct.
तो वो वही गाना हिट हो जाए जो पब्लिक के जहन में जो सुना हुआ है 100 साल से.
Everyone wants us to give our day again, man.
Yeah, so they go back into time only because it's not a bad trend. It only works because it comes as something we've heard.
Yeah.
But the ratio of original to that in films, why Bollywood is going down a wrong road, is because the ratio of remake to original is 80% remakes, 20% originals. From the Preethams, Vishal Shekhar, Shankar Aiswala, they've all done remakes. Apni To Jaise Taise is done by SEL. Preetham has done Parda Parda. Vishal Shekhar has done Bachna Hasino. But they did one remake. And in the whole year, there were 100 original songs. Today, we have 80 remakes and 20 original songs, and the money is not being put on the original song. That's why the views on the original song, the reach of the original song doesn't happen. So that belief is gone that we can do it. And not in us, but the people who are handling all these things. But I think so, like lastly, like I'm saying, at least from whatever I can do in my limitations, like I'm not trying to put anything down, but most importantly is have a voice. Whatever I've said, there are youngsters who have met me when I was in Goa on an Activa and said, so we don't like your music, but we like what you posted about this certain award, or you spoke about this topic, or said again. And I hugged them, I said, thank you, and I don't like my music sometimes. So that, for me, it's important that they accept the real me instead of just the musician. Acha, ki aapko mera gana pasand hai, great. But if you like who I am, that is more important. And I'm seeing not just, like so many people have emerged from like y'all started that trend of bringing, music, soulful music, bands and all are dead today. We are so stuck, Bollywood so stuck in electronic sounds. The band culture has died. The only people who revived that was Agni. You can see Pentagram. All these guys brought the bass, guitar, drum song, that sound. Even in Badla, like a song of mine is coming, I have gone back to that, something alternatively rock and little bit of Punjabi, a little bit of soul. Not the Punjabi bhangra, but the Punjabi that will touch your heart.
So I love Punjabi music. I have a huge fetish for it, and all that is coming out is bhangra.
Yeah, so
it's so horrible.
There is soulful Punjabi music also. When that song will come, I'll send it to you. Please write it.
I'd love to hear it.
So film में भी that sonics have to start coming. And in non-film, I think everyone, like even this, what are these singers? Like what Arjun Kanungo has done.
Local Train. Nice
stuff.
Stuff.
Local Train. Then these boys, I'm forgetting Sony's
Pratik Kuwad has done something.
Kuwad, Jasleen Royal.
Jasleen,
One second, what is the name of that band? Yellow Diary.
Yellow Diary. That's Sony.
you're seeing the stuff that these people are putting out is helping other artists believe. That is all we want to do. That is what even I want to do. There are people today doing super young, cool singles, like even these two twin sisters, Sukriti, Prakriti. They are coming out with a single, which is maybe it's got the the commercial element to it, which is okay. But at least it's on your face. At least it's what you want to do. They have believed and done a song which they believe, and you have to. The only support we need from a label is to let the artist do what they want, sometimes at least. And I think that's a big step. Young girls doing something cool for themselves. Very important, people do that, like Yash, Akasa, all of them. And I'm really happy that, I'm getting to work with these talents, who are here, Pratik Kod. I go for their shows. And I want to hear more of this music come out. And you will see that in the next 1 year, there will be a lot of people who are going to run away and going to do a lot of non-film music. It's already happening. And that is getting picked up in film. So actually realizing what content someone's making from their own heart, without a brief, without direction, without force, that is working with people because people want to hear new things. We have just forgotten how to give that for films. But I think non-film is the way ahead. I think that's very important to keep it alive.
Both will work, but I think what we've been lacking in our industry since 80s is that we don't have a Michael Jackson from India. It's not that we don't have the talent, it's just that we spend time and money investing on. Instead of Kishore Kumar, we invested on Amitabh Bachchan, and so therefore Kishore Kumar sang for Amitabh Bachchan, so he's a big star, or for Rajesh Khanna, he's Rajesh Khanna's voice. Although Kishore Kumar as a musician is, outstanding. He could be a huge celebrity by his own right. The only people who changed that are, to an extent, Honey Singh. I love that about Honey Singh.
He changed the game.
He said that there's a situation where Rajnikant is there, Shah Rukh Khan is there, and there's a Lundi Down song, and Honey Singh has to be in the video. Why? Because Honey Singh will have that following where people will throng the streets to look at that guy. Where they created a celebrity out of a musician, which is great. I don't agree with that kind of music because it's not my taste, that's all. But I love
wave that he brought.
Absolutely. Something like that needs to be done here.
So I think it's very important that actors, singers, har ek aadmi ka, I always fight even when awards and everything happens. I said, मेरे YouTube के नीचे जब गाना था, anyone who's done Ting also has played it. Sure. Years back when I'm producing for other composers, we used to never get programming, producing any credits. Today we do awards, we do categories, everything. Why should there be only 4 nominations? Please nominate 50 people. It doesn't matter win or lose. One person comes with his family, sits there in your award show, whatever, and just hopes that what I did was seen there. My family came with me, I was just recognized for my work. Thank you. That's what we have to do for technicians. So every person, just put them there. Na? Don't make them win, it doesn't matter. It's an emotion, people come. Everything has to be just credited. You just give people their credit where it's due. Whoever does whatever, please, nothing makes you smaller. How he's crediting so many people for his also reaching out. It's not, he could have easily come and said, "मैं singer who's bad."
Sure.
Just not telling just essay, but I could just say, but he has said that it's the band, it's us together. That is very big of him. Today he's had successful songs in Bollywood films. He can easily say, "मैं singer who's bad." He's not doing it. He's sung Yariya. He's sung Duniya Hai Thodi Thodi. So that change of attitude has not happened, and that's why I love you, and that's amazing.
But I have a band to keep me grounded also.
No, so that's why. I always do that. You have to come to my house once to see. I have 5 mad friends in the last 18 years who still treat me like a stupid dumbass.
That's the best.
And that is very important for us musicians to know and not get carried away. To keep your real friends around. And I think that's beautiful. It helps you. I enjoy it.
See, they're the best people to have around.
मेरे को बोलते हैं क्या घटिया हो पता है मजा अच्छा नहीं है नहीं ब्रो बहुत फ्लॉप है ठीक है ओके विल चेंज
गलती से अच्छा बोल दिया तो यू नो दे जेन्युइनली मीन इट आल्सो
कंप्लीटली आई लव इट